Flange extenders are adhesive strips that are applied over the edges of your stoma pouch. They help to secure the pouch more firmly, particularly around the flange, also called the baseplate, which is the area most prone to lifting. By reinforcing these edges, flange extenders help reduce the risk of lifting and leaks and can increase pouch wear time. Flange extenders may be useful if you have a hernia or uneven abdomen, are very active and put extra strain on your pouch, when you're on holiday or in hot weather, having issues with your flange lifting or leaking, or simply want added confidence in your pouch's security. Some people use flange extenders every day, while others might only use them for certain activities, like swimming, running, or sports. Flange extenders come in different shapes, sizes, and materials to suit your needs. Here are some examples. Hydrocolloid extenders like HydroFrame are thicker and provide a strong, skin-friendly adhesive. Ultra-thin film extenders like UltraFrame are discreet and ideal for active lifestyles. You can also choose smaller mini extenders to support sensitive or smaller areas. HydroFrame flange extenders are made with Manuka honey, infused hydrocolloid, which is gentle on the skin and made from food-grade ingredients. They provide excellent adhesion and are ideal for extending the wear time of your pouch, particularly during gardening, exercise, or everyday movement. They're available in regular and mini sizes, depending on your needs. Take one HydroFrame flange extender out of the pack. Remove the top part of the release liner. Place it over the flange, making sure at least 1 centimetre covers the edge of the flange and the rest sticks to your skin. Press down gently, then remove the bottom part of the liner and apply pressure to secure. Repeat on the other side if needed. To remove, spray a small amount of medical adhesive remover at the top of the extender and gently peel away from the skin before removing your pouch. UltraFrame flange extenders are the thinnest and most discreet option available. They're waterproof, breathable, and blend seamlessly with your skin. Perfect for swimming, bathing, or exercise. UltraFrame is gentle on the skin and easy to remove, leaving no residue behind. Remove an UltraFrame flange extender from the pack. Peel back the part of the liner marked 1 and position the extender over the edge of the flange, so part covers the flange and part touches the skin. Press down on the centre to adhere this section. Peel back liner 2 at the bottom and press into place. Peel back liner 3 at the top and press into place. Remove the final protective layer marked 4, starting with the top half, then the bottom half. Repeat on the other side with the next extender. To remove, grab the release tab and gently pull outwards. This lifts the extender away from the skin easily and leaves just a small piece of material to dispose of. Whether you need more security every day or just during certain activities, flange extenders can give you added confidence and comfort. From thicker hydrocolloid options to ultra-thin breathable film, there's a solution to suit your body, your skin, and your lifestyle.